first of all, I remove the caliper which I have my equipment. See the dust. So this is good. You can see it is not smooth in the surface of the rotor disc. So what we are going to do is to change it and also change these lockers, because these lockers can bend and cannot able to make the brake touch the surface in a smooth running. So the secret to stop it is to change it and change the lockers also. But if there is a need for you to resurface the disc, do it as soon as possible to cause any damage to the new brake. These are some of the things we need to know. And also, a rust caliper can also cause the same problem to you. So you need to change it, whether repair it or change it, and also do it as well as the brake pad. But the most important thing for you to change the locker, because the locker can bend and cause problem to the rotor disc, which can also lead you to change it. So these are some of the things you need to do when a brake starts squeaking. A noisy brake is bad and it makes the driving possibility not to be frequent smoothly. So you need to change it. You need to do this. I think you have got what I'm saying, and you need to keep it in mind also. So for you to get more update from me, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated when we upload something new on this platform. Like, share, and put the comment below in the comment box, so you can also use to do the same video as usual. Please create value content and create very useful information on this platform as well. So stay tuned until we meet next time. It's Mechanic Monday. Hashtag subscribe, hashtag like, hashtag share. See you next time. Okay, bye bye.